Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How about we play around with cell protection, unlocking cells so we can modify data while locking up everything else. When I mean locking, that means protecting all the other stuff so they can't be changed. This one is going to be hard to follow because Excel makes it challenging. Here we have this sheet. We have protect sheet. The idea here is to unlock these cells or keep them so once we hit the protect sheet, you can still change this information, but not change any other information. Saying, what? Yeah, I know. All right, so hit this triangle. This is going to cover everything in this worksheet. Hit Control 1. Locked. What does that mean? That means this entire cell, this is the default. If we protect this sheet, we won't be able to make any changes. Hit Protect Sheet, okay? And you don't need to put a password in here for testing purposes. We can hit OK. This highlighted area, there is a conditional format in there, and it's this, Cell Protect A1. And what it's supposed to do is highlight when the cell's unprotected. Well, the sheet's protected. How do we know? Hit a number and see the sheet's protected, but there's a bug in this here, in this conditional format. We can still work through it, show you how to unlock this information. To get out of this unprotect, just hit unprotect. What we need to do, because everything's locked, hit this arrow again, and then no. What I want you to do instead is just highlight this data right here. Whatever you don't want protected, just highlight, hit Control 1, hit, and just remove locked. And hit Protect Sheet. Hit OK. Try to type in somewhere else. Ouch. That bloody friggin' computer bell. We don't want to hear that. Go up above, 5. Try to type something. Oh, and you're going, what is this all about? Go in here to present value. Here's the present value of $5 what's the present value of $5 6 years from now? Compounded periods 12 at 8%. Type in 10. So yay! It worked. It's just the logic kind of is screwy. Now you can't change anything else in this worksheet. Read this information, go through and listen and watch this again. It's all a matter of locking and unlocking and understanding this protection and unprotecting and adding and not adding and a pain in the butt. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.